Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy without a stick. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need about 2 cups of water and 4 to 6 cups of granulated white sugar. For the crystallization, prepare clean glass jars and cotton string. You can also add a few drops of food coloring and a half teaspoon of your favorite flavoring extract for a personalized touch. Now let's create the magic solution. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a saucepan over medium heat. Slowly add 4 to 6 cups of granulated sugar, about 1/2 cup at a time, stirring continuously until all the sugar completely dissolves. This creates a supersaturated solution. Once clear, remove the pan from the heat and allow the syrup to cool for about 20 minutes before the next step. Next, we prepare our crystal-growing medium. Cut a piece of cotton string so it hangs about 1 inch from the bottom of your glass jar when suspended. Dip this string into the cooled sugar syrup, then roll it in extra granulated sugar to create seed crystals. Secure the string with a clothespin or pencil across the jar's rim, making sure it hangs freely without touching the jar's sides or bottom. Now comes the most important ingredient: patience. Place your jars in a cool, dry, and undisturbed spot. Over the next 5 to 10 days, or even up to 2 weeks for bigger crystals, you'll observe beautiful sugar formations. Once your rock candy reaches the desired size, carefully remove it from the solution. Let it dry completely on wax paper for several hours to ensure it's firm and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.